So today is the second part in the series of all things wild garlic. Today we're going to be pickling the flower buds. But firstly we're going to have to go and get some. So off we go to the woods. I need to put a jumper on though. It's a bit cold and windy and it's raining. Let's go. This place is absolutely rampant with this wild garlic. I've just got to say the key points to point out, you've definitely got to get permission from the landowner. I have got permission from the landowner to pick here today. There are other plants that actually look very similar. They can be poisonous, not going to kill you, but it isn't going to be too good if you do eat them. So you do have to make sure you know what you're picking. It's pretty straightforward, but you just got to stick to those rules. Honestly, you just cannot go wrong. This stuff is free. The flowers will be flowering soon, so you really need to get picking them right away. I think mid-April they actually start to flower, open up. Once they're open, they're not as nice. Right now, perfect for pickling. With that being said, I'm just going to carry on picking. So now you've been and got your wild garlic flower buds. So what you have to do is pour in your vinegar. Obviously I've got natural distilled white vinegar. So you pour that in. I boiled the kettle and added boiling water. Just gets that process going a bit quicker. 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. You need to bring it slowly to a boil. As soon as it gets to the boil, stop it. Put that to one side. Then you need to get your wildflower garlic buds. Give them a good rinse under the tap like so. Put them into sanitised jars, give them a good push down, make sure they're right to the bottom, just give them a little squeeze if you have to. Then add your peppercorns. I used also coriander seeds in one batch. Then fill up with the liquid. As I say, at this point you can really add what you want. The world's your oyster, as they say. Add what you want to your flavour preference. Star anise, you know. It's up to you. There are videos out there on how to make pickling liquor. Just pack them in nicely, get that level up to the top, shut the lid, give them a good week or two in the fridge, as long as you can leave them, and then just start enjoying them. Just imagine giving these out to friends and family as gifts. I mean, they've probably never even heard of wild garlic, let alone wild garlic pickled flower buds. These things are amazing. I mean, when I was out there picking, I did actually munch on a few. The ones that were looking clean, no bird turds or anything like that. But yeah, to be fair, the only way of explaining it is it's weird. It's like wild garlic itself. It's kind of pungent, but it's not. Now, it's garlicky, but mild. And I guess it's like, when I say it's pungent, but it's not, it's like a mixture of onion and garlic, but mild. More flavour in my opinion. So if you was to make like wild garlic butter, which next week's video is going to be exactly that, you add that to garlic bread, like sourdough bread or anything like that, and bake it in the oven or toast it and then just spread it on, let it melt. It's amazing, it really is, genuinely. And I'm not veering off barbecue. I mean, these could be added to so much, it's unbelievable. You could add it to like a salad, just sprinkle them over the top. You imagine these in tacos, they'd be awesome. Chop it up into chimichurri. Might actually try that. Not actually tried that before. I don't know any other way of explaining it, but it's like garlic and onion put together. So if you love garlic and you love onion, you're gonna love these. So I'd say they're gonna last a couple of 3 months in the fridge. Depending on the liquor you make. Obviously I used a lot less salt and sugar, so that will not last as long, in my opinion. Correct me if I'm wrong, comment down below. And as I said before, when you're making that liquor, it's to your flavour preference. You can add so much, like I say, star anise, bay leaves, all that sort of thing. You know, you could even add chili flakes if that's your thing. I'm not too keen on hot stuff myself, but so I hope you got something out of this, and I really do hope you go out and get yourself wild garlic. Like I say, please just get permission, and it's free and it's very much full of nutrients. Good for you. So with all that being said, go cook something exceptional. I'll see you when I see you. Cheers, guys. I've got to have another one. They're like little pockets of joy. Oh, they just go with it. Oh, mate, in a burger. They would go amazing in a burger rather than onions. There you go. Oh, they really would. It is endless, really. Spring. Nom nom nom. Right,